Without the track.
자, 한국의 디바 가수 소양이 마이클 볼튼의 Lean on Me를 불렀습니다. 노래 주인장 마이클 볼튼이 직접 심사를 했는데 전설이 천상계를 어떻게 평가했을까요? 먼저 사이먼이 참가자들의 무대가 마음에 안 들었는지 또다시 노래를 요청합니다. 이에 참가자들이 난감해하고요. 노래 실력이 어떻길래 무슨 일이 있던 걸까요? 함께 시청하겠습니다. 렛츠고! 자, 단체로 등장을 했습니다.
Hello, how are you?
We are wonderful.
Well, I can see that. It's very, very nice to meet you. Now tell me your name.
So we're the Players Choir, football players choir. We play professional football, all of us.
Did you all play for different teams?
Well, some of us played on the same team.
Yeah.
But majority, we all played on different teams, went against each other. Yeah.
Okay, so you were kind of rivals and now you're friends?
Teammates, brothers.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
This is amazing. How did you get started?
In 2004, we got on the stage with a gospel concert that we do every year, every Super Bowl. It's called Celebration of Gospel. And Patti LaBelle got on stage, and she said, I see all these good-looking men. Let me see who can sing. And she started passing the mic around, and she found out some of us got a little talent. And so that's how it all started.
Are you serious?
Yes, Patti LaBelle. I started.
Okay, so from there, what happened next?
Well, we formed the Players Choir, and we would go out in the community and actually go to different fundraising events. So St. Jude, we also support the American Cancer Society, and we just kind of made it a point to, you know, spread light and bring joy. Sometimes the world needs it. So
I feel like I'm in a movie right now. I love this. I love stories like this. So why did you enter AGT?
time is fleeting, y'all. If you have a dream that you're holding on to, take the shot.
Okay, what are you going to sing?
So we're going to sing a classic, and any successful team, family, they all live by this motto, lean on me.
Good luck.
자, 커버곡은 내게 기대요.
Sometimes in our life, we all have pain, we all have sorrow, but if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow. Lean on me, we are not strong. I'll be your friend, I'll help you carry on. For it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Just call on your brother if you need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on. I just might have a problem that you understand. We all need somebody to lean on. Lean on me. We are not strong. I'll be your friend. I'll be your friend. Yes, I will. I'll help you carry on. Oh yeah. I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Lean on. Somebody to lean on.
I'm going to ask you one question. I'm kind of curious. I just want to hear your voices together. So can we do this just a cappella? I want to just hear that chorus without the track.
Okay. Here we go. To lean on me when you're not strong. I'll be your friend. Yes, I will.
I'll help you
Carry on. Oh yeah.
won't be long.
I'm gonna need
Somebody to lean on. Lean on. Somebody to lean on.
야, 역시 사이먼.
so much fun, and I could see that you guys were having fun. I think this is what you guys are meant to do, and I feel that that is fantastic. I love the choir, and to also be using all of your fame and everything for charity. I love this.
I mean, that's why Simon is Simon, because he always gets the best out of everyone, because literally you all sounded so much better. And not that you didn't sound good before, but without the track and it was just your voices, you harmonized beautifully together and everyone was super on point.
I'm always curious not only to hear what you sound like, but also how quickly you just adapted in like 5 seconds. It was like, yeah, done. You are good singers. And as importantly, your energy and your story is just amazing. I really love you guys. I do. And apart from the fact I like you and love your story, you're competitive. And I think every great competition needs people who really want to win. And I can tell you really want to win, and I love that. Heidi.
I give you a yes.
Sophia.
Yes!
I'm not going to give you 3 yeses. I'm not going to give you 3 yeses. I'm going to give you 3,000 yeses.
자, 오늘도 사이먼이 했습니다. 자, 천상계 한국 소양 버전 4개 기대요.
Sometimes in our lives we all have pain, we all have sorrow.
와, 이것이 천상계 레벨. 자, 마이클 볼튼입니다. 심사평 갑니다.
Well, it's also, you also chose a song
Yep.
that is one I perform all the time in my shows.
Yes.
I've heard quite a few versions. That was spectacular.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
This is, you rise to the level of virtuoso, of virtuosity is what we experienced. Spectacular.
It's a really great honor to hear it from you. And you are spectacular too.
Thank you very much.
구독자님들, 날씨가 급 추워졌습니다. 겨울이 코앞에 다가왔는데요. 모두들 감기들 조심하시고요. 소마이 댄스월드는 다음 시간에 다시 찾아오겠습니다. 감사합니다.